You want me to help you na talunin ko ang kuya ko. But I don't work in the Torre Campo Realty anymore. And seriously, you want me to go against my own brother?
Huwag na tayo maglokohan, Edward. Alam ko naman nakatulad ko, hindi mo ako sundo mo ang kapatid mo. Actually, matagal na ako nagtataka kung bakit wala ka sa kumpanya ng pamilya mo. And after seeing your fight the other day, everything makes sense. Gets ko na.
And your point is?
If you help me beat your brother, hindi ba parang nakaganti ka na rin sa kanya?
Yun yun?
And if I'm successful with this project, I will get a coveted executive position sa Torre Campo Realty. The board loves me, Edward. Hindi malayang palitan ko ang kapatid mo sa kumpanya. And if that happens, who knows? Baka bigyan kita ng magandang posisyon. A well-deserved one.